This stupid boy was about to eat this corn and this capsule, but suddenly his evil sister stopped him. She quickly went to him and showed him a video in which it was said that if you heat the corn and the magical capsule with butter by wrapping it in a foil, then such an amazing thing will be made. He did not believe it, and he also quickly ran to test it. The boy cut the corn, capsule, and butter and put it on the foil and put it on the gas to heat it and waited for some time. Will such an amazing thing be made? But before that, if you really love your parents, then like the video, then subscribe to the channel, then click on the remix option and type on use this sound. Then some magic will happen, and this amazing thing could not be made. Seeing which these people became sad